All right, for our FOMO image GIF that we're going to use, we're going to use easygif.com. It's free. We're going to go here we want to use GIF Maker. Now, we want to choose the files that you took from the slideshow. So you can let's grab 4 slides here, open them up and upload. Now this delay, we want to probably, for certainly, increase up. And to change all of them at the same time, we're going to want to use this box here. And let's go with 50. It should give us a nice transition here. Well, you can probably slow it down just a little bit more. Let's go with 60. And as you're going to see, it changes everything up top. So, all right, so we have this going. Do not use effects. Effects is going to increase your file size way too big to bring down at the 200 mark, 200 kilobytes. So what we want to do here is, you've seen that we're over the 200 kilobytes. We want to get this to 200. We want to click on Optimize. In the compression level, we can start up there, optimize it. It'll tell us, oh, we're getting close. So bring it up a little bit more, optimize, close. We can bring it all the way up. All right, so it looks like this is about the smallest as we are going to get. So we can make this smaller one more time. What we can do is go to here and let's only choose 3 files. 3 instead of 4. Upload. And same thing here. Let's run it at the 50 this time, seeing that there's only 3. We're down to there, so we might be in good shape. Let's see what it looks like at 60 again. Okay. Now we want to go to Optimize. And let's start bringing the level up. Let's see if we can. Perfect. We're under 200. So now what we want to do here is save. Save it however you want to go and save it. Whatever file name you want to do. And then we're good to go. And then you load it up into the media section, as we showed you in the media video. So if you have any questions at all, please reach out to support. We're here to help you. And we will see you in the next video.